Punctuation Paradise, a deep dive into parentheses. Hello, language learners. Today we're focusing on an interesting topic in English punctuation, something that can really add nuance and depth to your writing: parentheses. These little symbols have a big role to play in the sentence structure. So, let's get into the heart of parentheses. Parentheses, also known as round brackets, are punctuation marks used to contain information that can be seen as additional or non-essential to the main content of the sentence. These are represented by the symbols and. For instance, my brother, who is an engineer, helped me with my math homework. In this sentence, who is an engineer is an additional piece of information and not necessary to understand the main idea, that my brother helped me with homework. Parentheses are quite versatile, but they're mainly used for three purposes. 1. To provide additional information. This could be an explanation, clarification, or definition. I need to buy some vegetables, carrots, tomatoes, and peas, from the store. To indicate an aside or an afterthought. This is often used to insert a personal comment or observation. She finally finished the project, thank goodness. To denote abbreviations, when introducing an abbreviation, it's common to place the full term first followed by the abbreviation in parentheses. The World Health Organization, WHO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations. Remember, while parentheses can be very useful, they should not be overused. Too many can make your writing confusing and hard to follow. When it comes to punctuation, parentheses have their own rules. 1. If the information inside the parentheses is not a complete sentence, the closing punctuation mark for the sentence goes outside the parentheses. She gave me some great advice about time management. If the information inside the parentheses is a complete sentence, the punctuation mark for that sentence is placed inside the parentheses. This sentence can stand alone, separate from the rest of the content. I love reading books. My favorite genre is fantasy. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at parentheses, their uses, and the rules surrounding them. Remember, while they're a wonderful tool for adding clarity and detail to your writing, like all good things, they're best used in moderation. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now ready to use parentheses with confidence. Happy writing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.